Girl, get ready for everything you're praying for. Spotlight, spotlight shining on me. I need that spotlight, 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 baby. I need that spotlight, spotlight shining on. What you waiting for?
Y'all, don't kill me, but I'm starting 75 hard again, and this time it's different. I went to a pool recently, and I can't even lie, I realized how uncomfortable I am in my own skin right
now. I'm checking out the deuces. Made one mistake, now it's back to who you was with. I need somebody that's up to but number one. You sucked as a boo, so I think I need a new one. I don't wish you well. I don't wish you well.
Good morning! Today is Sunday. It is a brand new day. I woke up this morning attempting to do my 2 45-minute workouts before work, and it is actually my first day back to work today. My body was so tired. I woke up at 4, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to work out tonight. I knew that with me coming back to work that the 75 hard was going to be difficult. I was so close to getting french fries today. I can't eat french fries. I can't have no fried foods. So this is what I got for lunch. I'm doing the best that I can. Chicken, vegetables, yellow rice, and then I have salad over here.
Eventually.
75 hard is going horribly. I'm going to have to start over, but I'm not doing 75 hard because it really doesn't align with my schedule, and that's the real issue. I'm actually going to do 75 medium. 75 medium to hard, and I am doing majority of the 75 hard stuff. Now we're at the gas station because I have to put gas in my tank. I'm dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. $53.04.
$40.
I have to get Lilo some stuff. Lilo needs some more treats. Those his treats. Okay, I got the stuff. Let's get it and rate it when he's in. Just kidding. Some of the stuff I ordered did come in, so I'm excited about it. I ordered my Oxy Shred. The C4 that I ordered, it had me jittery, so I know Oxy Shred is great. To take this digestive enzyme to help flush everything and break it all down. And then I'm actually taking these in the morning. So tomorrow. Good morning. It is 4:26 a.m. I'm going to start my day with my pre-workout. This is Oxy Shred Cosmic Blast. I'm not a huge fan of it, but it's what we got. I have my creatine, and then we're gonna mix these together, and I'm gonna drink this before I go into the gym.
It's all talk, but your actions speak louder. Claim to be a boss, but I just found out I have every right to officially act crazy. You better hope that she's not having your baby. How you beg for my time and waste it? Ain't it sad? I hope that karma spins a block and rains it on your. Any other person would've wished you the best, but unfortunately I'm not that mature yet. I'm checking out the deuces. Made one mistake, now it's back to who you was with. I need somebody that's up to but number one. You sucked as a boo, so I think I need a new one.
I'm very proud of myself for getting up and going to the gym, because even right now I'm still tired, but I did push myself in my workout today, so that is so great. The only thing now is that we just have to stay consistent. We are at an event. I saw it promoted on TikTok.
Noise if you're having a good time and you're in a good mood. All right? All right. 1, 2, 3. That's what we like to hear. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to For the Love of Art. It's great to have all of you here tonight.
Now Gaia popping up. We out here. I outside. Woo, woo, woo. Oh my God.
college 10 toes down. Yeah. Get it, shawty, don't look this down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body green color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, now your life.
Hey, I didn't record everything, but we're about to go. We are heading home. We've been leaning to the side. But y'all know this is my girl. This is my ace boom coon. Hey, I have to call my little sis out. Say, pop out with me real quick. I literally texted her yesterday when I was at work. I'm like, are you free? I don't want to like be popping out by myself. Not all the time.
You will enjoy this fair experience today. Yeah.
I just got my nails done. And I am heading now to going to the Arte Museum. And I'm so excited because I've always wanted to go. Let's go to spot number 2 for our solo date day. Thank God I was able to valet. So we're heading to the Arte Museum. I used to call it Art Museum, but somebody said it's Arte Museum. So if you know the correct way to pronounce this place, let me know, because I don't want to say it wrong.
Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie.
Stanley Kubrick. This is some visionary shit. Trying to film pleasure with my eyes wide shut, but it keeps on moving. I blame it on the picture. You put me on a feeling I never had, never had, never had. And ever since I've been trying to get it back. You pick it up, put it back. Now I'm something like the chemist on campus, but there's no drug around. I like what I found in you. I still can't feel my face. What am I smoking anyway? She said don't let the high go to waste. Can you taste it? Little taste of Novocaine, baby, baby.
Look at my sister.
Hello, all.
We're going to the spot.
We're going to the
Done in some light. Okay, so I can't record past this point, but I'll let y'all know when we come back. He's getting there. We are just leaving the spa and we feel so relaxed. KJ is definitely coming back. I ain't never seen her like this, y'all. Look at her, just relax. Everybody needs to come to the spa. Today's a new day. I am so happy because today I'm going to the office. I am preparing for my open house that I'm hosting on tomorrow, and I'm so excited. It is my first open house since coming back to work. About to prepare some documents. I created a seller's guide. Now I'm working on a buyer's guide, and I want to have that for when people come in and they have questions about getting started, either selling a home or purchasing a home.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm not the way you paint the picture of me. I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, play the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to.
I'm heading to preview the home that I'm hosting this open house. The last
right onto Westcliff Drive.
I hosted it. I did not preview the home before, but one of my favorite things about being a real estate agent is seeing the homes. I love seeing what type of homes are out there. Like, I didn't even know homes like this existed. I keep saying it because it's so true. I'm about to make some content for this place so I can post it and tell people to come to my open house on tomorrow. It's a beautiful day. The sun is shining. Let's check out this beautiful property that's for sale. If you're interested in seeing this home, I am hosting an open house tomorrow from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Let's meet, let's talk, let's connect. Talk to you soon. Good morning. It is open house day. I am running a little behind, but I'm still gonna get there an hour before. You know, yesterday we previewed the neighborhood. I wish I had more signs. They recommend 20 open house signs, and I only have 4. Anyway, I'm about to vibe out, listen to gospel music, and I'll see y'all at the house. We are at the house. I'm not wearing this cardigan, but we are about to set up, and I'm about to bring the wagon in and set up. Put up 2 open house signs already. I only have 1 more, so I'm gonna put it into the street, like near the street where you turn in.
We was one, babe, for a moment in time, and it seemed everlasting, that you will always be mine. Now you wanna be free, so I'm letting you fly, 'cause I know in my heart, babe, our love will never die.
Alright, it's all open, ready for guests, but this is our office for today. I am going to put up another open house sign right where you turn into the neighborhood. Everything is set up. The house is ready. All of my information is ready. I feel ready. I am gonna look over this MLS sheet one more time.
2 hours later.
I just had my first 2 visitors. They actually rent a home down the street. They are renting, but they don't want to rent forever. And they said that this layout is so different. They actually invited me to their home so I can see the layout after the open house. I told him I'll be done at 1, and he gave me his number. So I am about to send him a message. I like to make sure that there's no trace that anyone was ever in here hosting anything. Now I'm about to lock the door and go over to that neighbor's house. Conversation complete. Oh, I'm so excited to check out this house. This looks amazing. Backyard is everything. Hey, look at this. It's a fire pit. I'm gonna put the full tour in the next clip. But go inside and check it out. So what do you think? If you're interested in seeing this property, or if you want to see what else is out there, feel free to contact me. I can't wait to connect with you. Amazing. Before we end this vlog, I want to address something. I definitely want to talk about my music and everything that's coming with that. And I know a lot of people have questions about where's the music, what's going on with the music. I'm still rebuilding my life and figuring things out with me here in Vegas. Whilst I'm figuring out everything, I do not want to forget the reason why I came to Vegas in the first place. So if you don't know, I moved to Las Vegas because my cousin gave me the opportunity to pursue music. I have been writing music since I was 9 years old. I'm in my 30s now. I've been singing and performing since I was a little girl. I plan to release my next single. It's one of my favorite songs that I've ever written. I already have the song recorded. I'm just figuring out some small stuff. I know that I need to release it. So I'm not holding on to any music anymore and stressing out about video and promotion. My goal is to showcase my art and to share my talent with the world and with all of you through all of my vlogs. On next week, we are going to be writing a song. I'm actually going to start writing songs on my YouTube channel. On the next vlog, we're definitely going to be writing a song together. I'll be sharing more about the music that I'm going to be putting out soon. Next week is going to be packed with community, music, and so much more. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all later.
Spotlight, spotlight shining on me. I need a spotlight, 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 baby.